why dogs are the happiest creatures ever. Because at number 3, somebody unplug him?
Dança, papai. Cachorro feliz, feliz, feliz. Cachorro feliz, feliz.
And at number 2, words of affirmation got her jumping.
Oh, your dog is so cute.
And before number 1, like and subscribe if dogs make you smile. And comment a heart if you love puppies. And at number 1, tell me that's not puppy love.
All I dream of is your eyes. All I long for is your touch. And time.